I was supposed to make this video about a week ago, but the pink Cars 3 Lightning McQueen I had originally had a massive issue with the Rust-Eze logo, so I had to go out and get another one from eBay. So this time, this one arrived a lot safer than the previous one. So yeah, I did get a refund for this one, so that was lucky. So yeah, this is a pink Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. Look at all of these Lightning McQueens here that we will basically be comparing him to in today's video. So yeah, this is just basically a comparison video to the one that I made the other day on the Cars 3 white Lightning McQueen. And today we're taking a close look at the pink version. So yeah, the pink version came out roughly the same time as the white one. And I only just managed to get one now. I mean, like I said, in the beginning of this video, I got one previously, but only just managed to get a goodish condition one so I can review on the channel. So yeah, this is your basic Cars 3 McQueen with the same logos everywhere in the same places, except for the fact that he is pink. So we can see there the 95, the headlights, the medicated Rust-Eze bumper ointment logo, rear end formula, headlights on both sides. You can see the 95, Lightning McQueen signature, Rust-Eze logo. Yeah, it is the side of the lightning bolt with the Cars 3 sponsors. Very nice pink rims. There's the logo again. Here is the back of the die-cast. Some extra paint seemed to be on this one, but that doesn't really bother me too much. Here is the other side, and here is a take a close look at the base. Model car made in China. So that is all the information you would receive on this pink Lightning McQueen. So yeah, they did make a Cars 1 version, but sadly, as of yet, I don't think they made a Cars 2 version. The most recent Cars 2 McQueen they made was the green one. So that is a real shame. So hopefully, they'll make a green Cars 3 pink Cars 3 Lightning McQueen in the near future. That'd be really, really cool. So, taking a close look at these two pink McQueens now, we can see they are pretty much the same, just that one is Cars 1 and the other is Cars 3. I will zoom out a tad here so you can see the differences. Lightning bolt, the pink on the rims is a slightly different pink. But overall, still a pretty cool die cast. We've got the rookie McQueen and an experienced McQueen. Pretty cool stuff. And here is a quick comparison to the one that I did get previously. The pink is actually slightly different. I wouldn't really call this a variant of a factory custom. I mean, to be fair, he doesn't actually have the 95 logo on the headlight here. And the headlights are actually different. So actually, this could be a variant. So let's take a closer look at this now. We've got the Rust-Eze logo there, which is again slightly different. On the side of the die-cast, the rims are actually a slightly different pink. So yeah, this is actually sort of a variant. I'm glad I got a replacement, because the piston cup logos are all the same. Fuel cap is actually different as well. That is a bonus. Pretty cool stuff. Going on to the back of the die-cast. Yeah, look, even the logos are different on the back. So yeah, I'm actually glad to have both of them now, because they are slightly different. I might actually display both of them, to be honest with you guys. And here is a close look at the bases. This is why I got a replacement as well, because of the expandiness of the car. But yeah, the bases are pretty much the same. So wow, I didn't actually expect to get the McQueen. Even the Rust-Eze logo on the back seems to be slightly bigger on the crappier version compared to the one I got a replacement of. So yeah, here is Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. You can see the differences now. This is what it should look like. Again, this is the Chinese May 1st release. Crazy how long ago May 1st was now. You can see there the pink. Pretty awesome stuff indeed. So, why am I putting the pink on? I have no clue, guys. I'm just showing you guys everything that I've gotten in the way of Cars 3 McQueens. We've got the yellow one here, which I reviewed on the channel about a year ago now as a music sort of video. We got the Jackson Storm McQueen, which is also a factory custom. We've got the gold version, again another factory custom. We've got the silver one, which is now discontinued as a factory custom, which has now become extremely hard to find, especially with this expression. We have a Dynaco Cars 1 McQueen, but in the Cars 3 body. And we also have the fake Cars 3 McQueen as well. Yeah, that does pretty much end today's video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. To the next video, peace everybody.